Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you our 230 Sunliner from Harris Float Boats. This is a 2019 boat and it's got everything that you need on it. It's got a double bimini. They're closed right now. That's for storage purposes. But back here we have a 150 horsepower Mercury engine on it. We also have a ski tow bar so you can pull all the water sports activities, and the extra wide 4-step ladder. That's stainless steel so it stays nice and clean wherever you use it. Next, what we have here is the dual recliner. This is the CWDH layout on the boat. So you have these seats back here, then dual captain's chairs, or what I like to call the captain's chair, then the companion's chair. This does have the RGB light package on the boat, so there are lighted cup holders and lights under the seats. At the helm, we have a Simrad display. This is a 5-in-1 or all-in-one, excuse me. Touch screen display. It has fish finder, depth finder, navigation, all that good stuff for you. Fusion head unit. There's speakers throughout the boat, so it's nice and loud and you get to enjoy your tunes. There's armrest in the recliners as well, if you want to take notice to that, because if you're sitting here facing the bow of the boat, you definitely have places to put your arms, and you definitely feel safe inside the boat when it's underway. Plenty of storage here, definitely high backs, and just a fun all-around boat. You guys, this is Billy Folks at MarineMax Houston on the Harris 230 Sunliner. Come by and see us soon.